What's up, everyone? So we're back here on Saturday at the Big Iron Classic, and Kevin's taking me around again. You saw him yesterday, yeah, even more trucks have shown up. Last night, if you didn't see yesterday's video, go check it out. It was just, the place was just all lit up, and I don't think the camera did it justice, but it was a big old party. That I heard that they were just partying all night back there in the back row.
They do, yep.
Literally like the back row.
Yep, they party all night.
So, yeah, they're getting them all dusted off and shined up.
Looks good.
They're just kind of wiping them down. It is a little dusty out here. They got a water truck running around here, kind of trying to help keep the dust down. So it's like a full-time job to just kind of keep these things wiped down.
Trailer here?
No, what is it?
Like a mini truck stop. Got the little 1/53rd scale trucks.
Okay, I'm gonna take a look. I've seen people over here looking at stuff. Oh, that is cool.
And if you notice over there, he's got a Swift stuck up on the rocks. It's getting there's another one right there too.
Oh, look at that! Look.
Yeah.
Where's the Swift? Okay, right
Well,
there.
he's got one back there in the Jersey barrier that they actually took the wheels off the trailer.
That's awesome, dude.
Right there with the Riker hooked up to it.
That is cool. Man. Get that on there. So something I didn't know about, and he was telling me about, I knew that white was separate than Freightliner. And I remember that, but I always thought that Freightliner bought white. It was the other way around. White bought Freightliner.
I'm pretty sure it was the other way around.
And dropped white, the white name. Because obviously Freightliner would sell more trucks than white would. Just a name, you know. I think a lot of the old timers wish it was called white again, but you know.
I think they're just about identical trucks, only one's a white Freightliner and the other's the Freightliners.
Do you remember about around what year that was? It had to have been early 80s, maybe late 70s.
I think late 70s, yeah. Late 70s into the 80s, when all these companies were separate, but they were trying to combine. The bigger ones were eating up the littler ones.
Yeah, an auto car. When did they go out of? They didn't go out of business that long ago.
No, not that long ago. I'd say.
Or did someone buy them?
I'm not really sure, but I can say it was late 80s, early 90s when auto car they phased them out.
Yeah.
Because back in the day, they were just too good a truck.
Yeah, that's what all the old timers said. It's like, man, auto car, that was better than Kenworth, better than Freightliner, but better than Peterbilt and all that. It was like auto car was on the top of the food chain when it comes to trucks.
And then back in the day, Western Star, they were basically handmade trucks.
Yeah. Now they got this new Western Star. It looks exactly like a Cascadia.
Yep.
You know.
Yeah, there's a really nice blue one up here.
Yeah, I think the new Western Star looks exactly like a Cascadia.
Yep. But you can always tell the Western cars.
Yeah,
they had the rounded.
Yeah. And that's what I always kind of liked about them. I was never that much of a fan. I never like really wanted one, but because it's like, I don't know, I'm from Texas, and it was like, you know, Canada, they suck, you know.
Yep.
And but you have to admit, they were awesome trucks. Now they're just like any other truck now. Trucks are leaving out to do a parade, I think. I think that's what they're going to do. This dude's been selling this Jake Brake jerky like crazy. Look at this. Right now it's a low spot. So, I just filmed a little promo. But I'll show you one of our mattresses here. This is our topper. This is our topper. It's called the slip seater. The reason why we named it that is because it had like the company driver in mind. It's great for just putting something on an existing mattress. So so yeah, this is thetruckersmattress.com. We've got 3 different sizes. We've got the topper here, we've got the medium, and we got the premium. You can go to thetruckersmattress.com, go check them out. What are you lying about?
Mike's back.
Yeah, Mike's here.
These guys are in line. Y'all waiting for this to open up, right?
Yep.
These guys have been waiting forever, like all day.
We put the chairs here at 7 o'clock this morning.
He was tootling around.
It's for the truck pull they have. They're pulling trucks. Nissans are pulling trucks. That's what they're doing. They're here to see it. Right? Now it is. Nissans are pulling trucks.
Yep.
They're here to see Nissan pull trucks. Nissans pulling trucks. Y'all here to see Nissan pulling trucks?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. I think everyone's gonna watch Nissans pulling trucks. See the Army hat on the top?
Stop!
Leave me alone.
Get away!
That's cool. Okay, so that's
And that's the whole line, folks. So they have the truck pull going on inside. I really don't care about going. I think it's cool. I just don't want to be around that many people, really. But there's still a lot of people out here, and he's selling a lot of Jake Brake jerky. So I'm going to take this time right here to thank TRC Freight for always backing up Bonehead Truckers. So trcandme.com, owner-operators, company drivers, go check them out. All right, 88% for the owner-ops. Not quite for sure what the, not quite for sure the exact cents per mile for the company drivers, but for the retransport side. But trcandme.com should give you all the information you need over there. But yeah, he's selling these things, man. but not the trucks don't have any lights on because everybody's in there. So, which is good. Kind of after a couple days of this, I'm pretty much worn out. So, this is a fun show. But we're not done yet with this video. We're going to kind of, I don't know what we're going to do next. You'll know before I know, really.
For everyone to enjoy this event. And there's no way
Really good flavor, really good taste on it.
He was singing out here, walking around singing. So, anyway, well, yeah, good to meet y'all.
Yeah.
And I especially want to say thanks to Kevin right here
It's my pleasure.
for kind of being kind of a host in a way. So we're gonna be here next year again, and hopefully we'll do it better and all that kind of stuff. But I
Looking forward
appreciate
to
you
it.
showing me around and all that kind of stuff.
Looking
So
forward to it.
making an annual thing coming up here. I'll be looking for you.
Good
Look
deal.
for me.
I will.
Unless I'm dead.
Look you up. We'll look
If I'm
you up.
dead, then look for my ghost.
Been here since I was 5 years old until now. So
You're who?
been here since I was 5 years old until right now.
How old are you now?
24.
I'm getting old. Anyways, y'all, I appreciate y'all, and thanks for putting up with my Texas accent. All right.
It was great
So,
meeting you, man. An
yes,
honor.
sir.
Seriously, thank you very much.
All right. And Kevin, hey, good deal. I'll
Thank
see you
you
next
for
year.
everything.
See you next year.
Yes, sir. Hey, those guys are cool. Anyway, thanks for watching the video here. Jake Break Jerky, he's got this. And hey, did I tell you, the Truckers mattress? We got our mattress. We were going to tie somebody up back here on a mattress, but we can't do it. The Truckers mattress and TRC and me, 88% for owner operators. Boneheadtruckers.com, 73.